What's up guys, it's the XC60 project here today, and to my surprise, the KT4 Big Brake Kit for the front came today. So we're going to unbox this and see what it's like for my first impressions. So I ordered the, so I have Power Stop Z23 Evolution Sports for rotors and pads on the car right now. And then the front rotor's warped. So I thought, you know what? I see no reason why I shouldn't just upgrade. Because my original plan with the Power Stops was to use them until I needed new rotors and then get a big brake kit, the KT4 Big Brake Kit anyway. Now I went with the 4-piston option because I have brand new tires and my rims recently got powder coated because Powderworks did a giveaway and I won those. So we did them for free. So I basically got like a new set of powder coated rims for free and brand new tires. So here's the caliper. This is a really nice color. So this is what it's like. There's pads in it already. So I assume to swap pads you just get a new spring and you pop the pin out. Or is that does that look like a hex? Or you hex screw it out or something like that. That's what it looks like it is. And then there's that, and then here's the front of it. Now I was looking at getting the text done in yellow, because the caliper's blue and then yellow, that would be like the Swedish colors. So, this looks very nice. Pads look very meaty. Alright, so that, wow. Okay. So that's a caliper. So those look really nice. This, I would expect this is the hardware and the lines. That would be my guess. These are bolts. Okay, so there's bolts to install them. There is this an extra set of pads? I don't know what these are. Oh, these are the mounting brackets to mount them. This is thread locker, and then more bolts that are smaller than those. So this is all the hardware. There's one there. I'm going to guess in this big box it is the rotors. And I'm not sure if this one came with stainless steel lines. I don't know. So I'm just going to eat. Yes, this is definitely the road. these are really nice. Okay. So there's a rotor screw. Yeah, wow. Okay, this looks really nice. I'm really excited to put these on the car and see how they do. They should definitely be an upgrade from the OEM brakes, and with these rotors, like, wow. So this is the unboxing and first impressions of the KT4 Performance Big Brake Kit. There's another caliper, I suspect. Yeah, there's another caliper. And wow, okay. So I can't wait to install these. These are going to be really interesting to install. And when they are installed, I will definitely make a video about installing them. And I will also make a video about my review on them as compared to the OEM ones. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and if you haven't checked out some of my other videos, please do. There's going to be, this week there's a weekly update coming. The manifold finished powder coating this week. We got some engine mount stuff coming up. So anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and the weekly update that happens every Friday and is posted at 9:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time every Friday. But yeah, that's my KT4 unboxing first impressions.